This meditation is designed to help you reach a deep sleep state of complete relaxation, in which your body's regenerative processes are activated unconsciously, so you wake up feeling energized and motivated to achieve everything you desire in life. Choose to practice this meditation when you've taken care of all pending matters. When you're lying in bed and all the lights are off, before you lie down for a night of deep sleep, make your room as dark as possible. Lie comfortably in your bed, find your most relaxing position, and begin. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth a few times. As you inhale, notice the cool, soothing air filling every part of your body. As you exhale, let go of the warmer, tense air, completely releasing all accumulated tension. With each breath, you free yourself from everything that no longer serves you. The day is over, whether it was wonderful or difficult. It doesn't matter. Now this is your moment to relax and prepare for sleep. To let go and enter the marvelous world of dreams. You're about to embark on a journey where no baggage is needed. You leave everything behind and move forward free, light and peaceful. Feel your body growing lighter. Your feet have already relaxed without any effort. Breathe deeply and observe thoughts coming and going without judgments. Simply accept whatever arises. Your hands, too, have melted into relaxation. How good it feels to relax. As you continue breathing softly and naturally, notice your lower legs and knees have released all tension. Your thighs, pelvis, and hips are completely relaxed. Your arms, elbows, and forearms rest heavy and calm. Your chest opens as your breathing becomes deeper, slower, more peaceful. Your abdomen softens. Your back and shoulders sink into a deeper ease. Your neck loosens completely. Your head and scalp relax, releasing every tightness. Your body knows precisely how to relax itself. Consciously learn these inner mechanisms so you can return to this peaceful state whenever you wish, day or night. Your face softens. Forehead, brows, eyes, temples, cheekbones, nose, mouth, lips, jaw, tongue, all muscles let go. You are now profoundly relaxed and protected in a space of peace. Consciously or unconsciously, you form a gentle light around yourself, keeping serenity within and pain outside. Nestle into this cocoon of protection and regeneration. Come, serene and comfortable. You believe deeply that each breath multiplies your relaxation, permeating through your skin into the deepest layers, organs, bones, blood. This peace floods your brain, dissolves the boundary between body and mind, and soothes every memory, thought, feeling, and emotion. Imagine your mind as a vast house full of rooms, each storing a chapter of your life. As this gentle light travels through every corridor, each room becomes illuminated, and your memories turn serene. Walk safely through these halls. Observe without judgment. Whatever memories and feelings emerge first, breathe calmly. Gradually, your mental files organize themselves. What's important surfaces to be stored properly. What no longer serves you is released. Ask your unconscious mind to discard all outdated, harmful patterns. Feel the relief as you grow lighter and freer. Know that you can be free and happy, that you can reach your highest state of peace. Now visualize yourself achieving every goal you desire. Feel the satisfaction of success. You know exactly what to do, and both your conscious and unconscious minds naturally support you. The path becomes clear and simple. An ancient story tells of someone who doubted their capacity. That person looked within, found a deep light, connected with their true essence, and realized the infinite dwelt inside them. Infinite strength, ability, persistence, and problem-solving power. You too share this infinite potential. You are becoming freer, happier, more complete with each passing minute. As you listen, you relax ever more deeply, shedding old pains and sufferings. You are overcoming achieving all effortlessly because you deserve these possibilities. Your mind reaches profound serenity and stillness, embracing all of life's flow. Notice another thought or experience, good or bad, and affirm, I can welcome it. In doing so, suffering diminishes and life becomes happier with every step. Tomorrow, you will be ready for whatever choices lead you to a fuller, more joyful life. Tomorrow is a new day of fresh possibilities. Slowly now, imagine yourself sinking ever deeper into peaceful, restorative sleep. Feel your body and mind drifting gently into dreams. Be at peace, and until next time.